LK One-Stop Whole Plant Automation Solution, a 6-in-1. 1. Lean planning for the whole plant. 2. Intelligent water, electricity and gas solutions for the workshop. 3. Automation, robot tech and digitalization solutions, presented by 3D simulation. 4. Project management throughout the entire process. 5. One-stop technical services. 6. Tailored workshop VI design. LK pays more attention on creating whole plant solution. At China Plus 2024, we mainly demonstrated centralized feeding, pipe layout, intelligent water, electricity, gas integration, automation, digital management system of one-stop solutions, and showed the automated solution of auto grab, runner removal,
labeling,
assembly, stacking of PET storage box, and the laser cutting solution of lenses. We provide customers with advanced automation technical support. As one of the leading manufacturers of injection molding machine, LK provides automated services to meet the production needs of machine. Also, the one-stop technical services provided by LK not only solve customers' needs at present, but also help for their future development. The automated solution provided by LK covers industries from auto parts, pallets, lenses, daily chemical products, and home appliances, etc.